Let's talk about something we've all probably faced. You're staring down a huge long-term sourcing project, and it just feels like you're running a marathon where the finish line keeps moving. But what if I told you there's a better way? Let's jump in and see how we can bring some serious order to that chaos. Yeah, does this picture hit a little too close to home? I mean, you're trying to juggle all these different sourcing events, your inbox is just exploding with endless email chains, and you're spending half your day just hunting for that one document? We've all been there. It's not just a headache, it's genuinely putting your whole project at risk.
And look, this isn't just me making things up. This quote right here, it's from a real person, someone in the trenches dealing with this exact thing. It really nails that core problem, right? How on earth are you supposed to manage a project that's made up of so many different moving parts, not just one isolated event? But okay, let's just imagine for a second. What if you could take all those scattered pieces, the RFIs, the RFPs, the auctions, the docs, all those approval chains, and just sweep them all together under one single unified roof?
Well, that's exactly what we're going to dig into today. The solution has a name. It's called the Full Sourcing Project. And its entire purpose is to do exactly what we just talked about, to finally bring some real order to the chaos of strategic sourcing.
So what is it, really? The easiest way to think about it is like a master folder, or maybe a project binder. It's this big container created from a template that's designed to hold and manage every single moving part of a big initiative. It's not just about one event. It's the framework for the entire strategy.
Okay, a definition is great and all, but so what? What does this actually mean for you on a Tuesday afternoon? What are the tangible benefits for your team, for you, and even for the higher-ups?
Let's get into it. We're going to break down the benefits, and let's start at the very top, at the organizational level. The first huge win here is all about bringing in some much-needed standardization and control.
What this really comes down to is getting everyone on the same page. When you use templates, the organization can basically set the rules of the game. You can define a standard workflow, control which steps absolutely have to happen, and make expectations super clear for everyone. The bottom line, every big project starts following the same playbook, every single time.
Okay, that's great for the organization, but what about the actual team doing the work? Well, for the project team, this is a game changer. It's all about making their lives easier and helping them get things done smoothly.
So picture this on a daily basis. Your team, they can all work together on content in one central spot. No more version 1, version 2, _final, you know the drill. Then you've got these built-in checkpoints, these approval gates, for all the big decisions before an event ever goes live. And when it's time to award a supplier, that becomes a real, official, trackable step. It's the perfect mix of collaboration and control.
All right, last but not least, let's talk about stakeholders, the people who need to know what's going on but aren't in the weeds every day. For them, the number one benefit is one simple word: clarity.
I mean, this is honestly the dream, right? For anyone who's ever had to bug someone for a status update, no more chasing people down, no more digging through old email threads. Stakeholders can just go to one central place to get the lowdown on everything.
Just think about it. They can see the project details, they can pull up key documents, they can check on the status of different tasks, even review the communications. It's all right there. It gives them total visibility whenever they need it, which builds a ton of trust and keeps everybody in sync. And the best part, it does all that without creating more work for the project team.
So if you put it all together, you can see it's really a win-win-win situation. The organization gets the standardization it needs, the project team gets to collaborate without chaos, and all the stakeholders get that crystal clear visibility. Every single group gets a major benefit tailored just for them.
And that really brings us to the final question, the one I want to leave you with. Think about your own big projects right now. Are they truly unified strategies? Or, if you're being honest, are they just a bunch of separate events kind of cobbled together with spreadsheets and a little bit of hope? Something to think about. Thanks.
All right, today